Look no further than the 2019 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy all the outdoor life has to offer in the Wrangler, the iconic open-air vehicle that inspires confidence on the road or on the trail. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, keyless start, backup camera, heated mirrors, four-wheel drive, V6 cylinder engine, alarm, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seat. There's nothing like that feeling of wind in your hair freedom. Get into the Wrangler today.